Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Our last and final Christmas breakfast idea is something very sweet and simple, and something that my mother made me when I was a little girl. So I don't have exact measurements on it. I can give you roundabout, you know, sizes, that sort of thing. It's called monkey bread. You can get it in the stores now. It's been a long time you couldn't never get it in the stores. So this is like, that's something new. So what you need to do is you make it in a bundt pan. You get canned biscuits. I've never tried it with regular biscuits, but I would assume that would not work. Regular biscuits, you know, homemade. So the canned biscuits are the best thing. You can get the cheapest thing you can find, it's fine. You need to, and I don't know how many you're going to need, because based on, bundt pans are different sizes, shapes, stuff like that. Some people cut the biscuits. I don't do that. So I'm hoping I have enough. I bought a 4-pack of the cheap Walmart biscuits. I also bought the cinnamon sugar already mixed. I usually mix my own. I just seen it and I was like, well, I'll just do that instead. And I melted 1 stick of butter. Now all this is going to depend on how big your pan is, how many biscuits you end up having to use. So you're just going to follow the recipe to figure out how to do it. But really all you need, cinnamon, sugar, biscuits, butter. First you need to take your bundt pan. Well, first preheat your oven to 350, 300, 350, whichever. Take your bundt pan and spray it. You take your biscuits, and I would only open a can of biscuits at a time. So open 2 cans of biscuits. You know for a fact that we're going to need those. And then after that, do it a biscuit, you know, a can at a time to see, you know, what you're going to need. Alright, so dip it in butter. Roll it in brown sugar. You set it in here. Now, it's going to fall over, but what you're going to do is they're going to be stacked all the way around, straight up. And it's okay if they're not perfectly coated. It's fine. So butter, brown sugar. And I am going to fix those. Just lay them down for now because there's nothing to hold them up. And I always call it brown sugar. It's not. It's cinnamon and sugar. I don't know why I do that. I had older parents, and they, you know, still remember growing up during the Depression, stuff like that. And they had parents that were, you know, alive during the Depression, stuff like that. So a lot of the things that I was taught, they did because they didn't have any money.
It's quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs
and you
that
probably
we
get
love.
about half a stick of butter. I'm not sure. It just looked like it wasn't enough. So I just went ahead and did a whole stick.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas. A moment we'll
You're
fill
basically
with
going to
love
stand
and
these
joy.
up.
So beautiful, kissing on a
And it
mistletoe,
doesn't have to
baby,
be
with
perfect. So see, they're all
I
standing
don't
up.
need any
And we're on to the
presents
next.
as long as I spend
Yeah,
this
biscuits.
day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents why we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And that's it. And put it into a 350-degree oven. Take it out when it's done. Okay, so this is the final product. Real easy and simple. Popped right out of the bundt pan. So I hope y'all all have a really good holiday season, and I hope everything's easy to get done so you can get back to what matters most, which is family. See you next time.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.